Do be fa number ne free ho. Ofa everyone cry immediately na yetimi send o be 100 cedis factor credit keke. Ansa na nipa ne bisa se phone be na o use. So shana o phone enya up to standard or see okay and you be share me. But oh ba unkwa member one other girl embra na che say mo kwa kwa yetere sam no no.
Hey, SS the munim tresam.
You call 2 ne 3. Ebo cry ye kwa rainbow parties ni ade.
Eno ye den.
Ene omo train like uju
rainbow party another.
Rainbow party.
Say.
Time if I say when your menses no like Bl00d no. Na omo de we pay inti outing ni no na obema ni we share like you have sex with the man whilst menstruating.
Hello, keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.
Hello, hi, Xposed GH FM Bros. Baby, I'll be able to check a CN amount. On subscribe me to Tumpa now on Saka. Let's say, Mr. Asamakubi, Unim, be a friend Rainbow Party. What could be that? Unko be that one. Yeah, man, no more SHS no, and no more Rainbow Party. Oh, yeah, Marshall. Rainbow Party no, yes, a money, your men's sir. MPs, any penny for no, up some tafri, your money moja. Oh, yeah, Marshall. You could see a girl no or Cassan.
It happened, pa. Yeah.
Rainbow Party. Na dia na abamo so abronsambia ana mo ya konfo ana nkra na ba no mo ya bosumfo ana sesei. Because we should have finished this topic, but calls na near man nkra na kano. Actually say we are not in normal times. Menya sure mame for muti me anopa ise munim Rainbow Party mame bia onim Rainbow bia nim se nyankonton. Anaphobia, but menya sure so
Obama menya message Jim Obama mame. Teacher ni bia send message, long message. Wa aje kan.
Me bisa fa bibia to nche mi ndi watem. Abusum sembi wo mumu ana.
Dabi.
Ana mo pesa mo so bibi hwe kwa ase
Obama.
It's like
mincha na no. Generation we no. You feel say ade bia fa bia no. Eno ano no. Just say bia all can say all cancel you know. Or say you beside the quality of phone you are using. And we actually sikasen krampo na bia ewo ho. And imagine Obama.
Wonder I say oh your generation wo fu bi nti o ti o ma say. Na wonte ma say the moment new generation as they say.
What do you bisa?
The o kan nyina ye mo generation me ma twam ho. Hwe ade na wo kan ye time no ye talk akra ma wo. Ye top Benz mount 2001 2000 me fan say my real school 2001 ye talk mama SS now we can say Rainbow Party America ne bebre because I had a usro meboa but e just abosom spirit bi o nkra we mu
because at the time otom pabwa kra you don't be sense na onya sika wo hina oto sam pabwa
exactly
that time kana pabwa baso pa ye filler and this latest one Adidas puma more trail lines no na bapa and utobia okwa e baby sa onya sika wo hina oto sam pabwa we
ma me be so won side na e you say ya to phone na ma okoye Rainbow Party
we dey aburo so
madam sa Rainbow Party na sa ne de mo friend lesbianism ne gay sem na ane de
eno ye imba ni ba ewo hostel hono wo hye ho na mo de ntoma akate son ye use mosquito nets in some de be kata am side of the bed obetina morning like there'll be morning and
mote ewo
lo mu je mo ani wo hono no e fa feelings
mo de na musia ho because unim obi a onye ade we no na on experience ye no bi ma me na men kan teacher ni message no nkomo no me di besi
am say teacher for send
me yam crash
na on cost
ma men fa we e wa pa o say good morning wonder I'm a teacher in one of the most popular senior high schools in the Ashanti region. After getting to the school, I observed these things. 1, students nowadays don't take their studies very seriously. You will talk and talk, but you will see these students will be doing their own thing in class. Some of the ladies are lesbians, of which they practice in the school. A certain lady requested my phone number to call her parents, and upon their arrival, I noticed some videos of 2 ladies on my phone kissing themselves. They deleted it after the act, but was still in my recycling bin. 2 opposite sex students were having sex in a car where teachers were also seated after our Milo games at Babayara. The Wasi they write is not written by themselves, most, but some irresponsible teachers take money from these kids. Sana say Wasi for no.
What they will back school sabe what it no. Yem penny for na binum a nyansen no muchim no. Omosi yesa woma. Occultism no ma say omodi adu yama na so. Y'all know kasan or SHS. I say papa for no omo ba na omo ye party on pese omo di omano ebo umojam na omo leke na omo tafre enkwala we they don't know what they are doing but occultism enu ti akola se obenyi onwo da owo kura ne mani ejimijimi aware kuro nya bi obehwe no aye basa pani bi esa nko nyanyansa wanyanyansa sika fibi okura sabi sika tantan enu ti no wako bie na no de abo obase a oye menses yes so no obaye menses a o manfie ene de mpelifo sika ye fa say sika moja nti omkwakwa jini nti no esom tafre ya maase omo ye menses a wanum krato jimie na wo Ghana na meka no we ye pro max because penia esa otete akola no wo de wagya wo ba ofie no bi ba de oyo hia ni nti no waka so meda no mie ni namu oy menses anu atafre. This is where we are going. It's in Kwalana yet no yen penny for na they should have sense no almost saying Kwalano. Oh, you so don't like I said Kwalana say Papa we say no a minister I give Papa Ben on you. Because he can feel no kurano. And you see, in Kwalana so no, are you not even scared? So obi se metafu moja. Uni say eyapam. Ono akwapam. Very dangerous. Na nipa ni nipa bonia. For all your lives no, ono my bond. You anything that obi wa or worry member 10. Enye ye da. Because uso no obi ne wo ya pam wa. No, we no be say na if na lam hu mpanifo ewo. And so you go change your kind.
You use WhatsApp platform, sometimes Facebook. Ebu also so a TikTok. I'm create group or TikTok na no mama link no to join here. Na o mama number in the WhatsApp like TikTok group na mo dia wa join no. To be fa number na free ho. Ofa ebu on cry immediately na yetimi send o be 100 cedis fato credit keke. Ansa na nipa ne bisa se phone be na o use. So shana o phone enya up to standard or see okay and you be share me. But oh ba unkwa member ono other girl embra na che say mo kwakwa yetere sam no.
Hey.
Ekoso.
O 100 cedis ni ria.
Mama SS.
Obeka cho say just 100 cedis and just for credits. And sana oba obema oti.
Sana SS for me man na mokoshi omo ana.
Dabi sugar daddy is like penny 4 ebi mo ye MPs ni ade.
Timboko town.
Yeah, but
okay.
Me akoshi omo.
Ade na enye kwa. SS no munim tresom.
You call 2 ne 3. Ebo cry ye kwa rainbow parties ni ade.
Eno ye den.
Ene omo train like udru
rainbow party another.
Rainbow party.
Say
time if I say when your menses no like bleed no na omo de we pie inti outing ni mo no na obema ni we share like you have sex with the man whilst menstruating and a rainbow party and no and bema mostly that's when they lick the blood and ebi mo de yoma
ma wo so bia send me enya spiritual
eno ye imba ni ba e wo hostel ho no wo hye ho na mo de ntoma akati son ye use mosquito nets into am de be kata am side of the bed obetina morning like there'll be morning and
mote awo
elo mu je mo ani wo ho no efa feelings
mo de na musia ho
Debbie am say oni bibi check your child's phone. ne WhatsApp especially confirm your chatting. What does your child chat about? Is it about God? Is it about education? And now only member the chatting. Never say your child is innocent because your child is never innocent. Some children you maybe a young one. Ghana phone call omo ye na we yem behyew. Ebi wa call 11 years or say many member 10 and that wie. 11 years. Now WhatsApp na sebe ya tough for mom at least mom fansuya ya no omo de ye member sam e ma sam. Obi o ko site okohwe pono no abie no hwe. Enya de bia na okosua. Na you see the honors too lies on the parents. Ya jaya money to do. They be am say, and we be am confirm me ba. En kwala mo kwa kofi saito phone kola. Wa saito ni bia ne maame akofa no school da. Preparative for the obo say o mam na confirm oni ka akra na okwa kola ni saito ni akola 3 years 4 years. Jimmy wo. No kwa na wo Jimmy ti. Uni sika wana se wo. Wana se wo. When Jimmy uni sika wana se wo. If you can't afford your child the basic needs, why do you give back? Oh my missing wunti no awo. No, you go for your mother for money. Yeah, ham kolano. It's the last time no, I had to give left to akola kititi. Na kolano mi bisa ni age wadi 4 years. Wapon school onam kwa ho ba. Nenkwa no nam. Me yam shame. And I'm saying, where is this generation going to? Ni papa kwasi ade onko ye adwama form ko boy empa kwasi ade onko da so eni atopa kwasi ade omubu ye nti omo ha akola no wana se wo eno ti na me de sa free ni amana gama ni mempa no we have to be owu ahwoba onim se ba ko na betimi awo ba ko wana se wo eti ewa ye timi ma ye ni konkola ne ho na sabi no mo bo ebra emfata. I Xposed GHFM members. O subscribe mami. Ni tuma na nsa ka manuasi.
Keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.